Zoned with Trishy. Hello, my friends. Today we're going to read André Goes to School. Today is André's first day of school, and he is very nervous. André and his parents walk into the classroom. André feels scared. "I want to go home," André cries. Mom pulls her scarf off and places it in André's hand. "Can you take care of my scarf for me while I'm gone?" Mom asks. André looks at the scarf. He nods and wipes away his tears. "Thank you for keeping my scarf safe for me," Mom says. Mom and Dad kiss André on the cheek and wave goodbye. André holds his mom's scarf tightly. André feels afraid, but he knows he needs to be brave. He will keep his mom's scarf safe. "Welcome, André," exclaims the teacher. "Everyone, this is André," she says. "He will be joining our class." André feels shy. "Let's put the scarf in your cubby so it doesn't get lost," the teacher says. André does not want to let go of the scarf. "Don't worry," the teacher says. "The scarf will be safe there." André thinks about it. He gives the scarf one last squeeze and places it inside his cubby. "It's time for recess," the teacher shouts. André feels sad. He misses his mom and dad, but then he remembers he has to be brave. André joins the rest of the kids outside for recess. Next, it's circle time. "Come join us in the circle for a story," André's teacher says. André feels worried. But then he remembers he has to be brave. "Now it's time for art," the teacher announces. André loves art. He feels excited. André sits at his desk and draws a picture. Suddenly, André hears a familiar voice. "Mom, Dad!" André shouts. "I made this picture for you," André proudly holds up his drawing. "And I kept your scarf safe for you," André exclaims. "Thank you so much for keeping my scarf safe," says Mom. "What a beautiful drawing," Dad says. As André walks outside with his mom and dad, he looks back at his new school. He can't wait to come back and be brave again tomorrow.